Hi Pisceans, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Okay, let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 28th of June till, let me see the date, 4th of July 2021, though timeless readings, okay? So let's begin. This is going to be, am I repeating it? Pisceans, okay? I see kind of like arrangement of hangers, okay? Hangers, those are laid and you just let your clothings and everything just hang in there. So that kind of energy I can see, and it's like crowded. It's a lot. I feel someone is doing packing here because they are empty. I see possible there's a kind of situation where you are feeling hung, okay? If that is not the case, we're going to see if you get hangman situation, but many of you are waiting for something to release, something to begin with, okay? Here there's a decision on hand, like it's in hung situation basically. If it is between you and the person, it's hung, but basically you are letting it go, because lot of options, kind of not options as in people or energies, no, this option is all about it is lingering on, and this is some kind of energy which is saying that all of a sudden the hangers are empty. Okay, someone is packing the stuff here, or packing or traveling. This could be even say predict travel for you in this time frame. Possibly you are traveling, okay, or you are just returning, possible. This is also future plans of travel. This is something that's going to be in a hurry as well. It's like a lot will be organized, and in a rush will be happening for you. This is about possible for your work or possible for emotional matters. Here you also have bottom energy, 8 of cups energy. This is something that someone is feeling detached with you, or you are feeling detached, or maybe you are missing someone. You are missing your person, you are missing someone, you are not in contact. It depends, because these are general vibes, but in this time frame you people are, yes, feeling or missing someone badly as well. You are very much affectionate for them, but it's also something is hard between you both, emotionally detached, and it's very hard to get along, possible. This may be I was about to say Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but I ended up saying Aries. So with the Aries does come Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, so possible there is, or possible there is someone involved, okay? However, this is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So you are in relationship with this person long time. Possible for some of you, this is like someone is moving out because hangars were empty, or hangars you are laying so to move in some new place. However, the situation is, it's like possible moving away from, moving out from this person's home, or both of you are parting ways, kind of energy where decision is en route. Okay, we're going to see 2 cards are here one by one. 4 of Pentacles. I heard the message, you don't know what to do about the situation because you don't want to let go. This is also some complexity here, or complex zone between you and the person. Someone who is rigid here, you or the other person. You also have 2 of Pentacles, a hard decision to make. This is like complicated situation between you both. If this is about 2 individual personalities, this is one who is unable to let go because they don't want to. The second is making decision. Okay, so 2 of Pentacles is juggle, and definitely emotional juggle. And yes, of course, this is about the memory lane. This is about the time spent with the person. This is about the relationship, marriage, or live-in. However, this is about, I feel like it's kind of resurrection is required. It is also some kind of renovation required. Though 6 of Cups is resurgence. You're feeling something for the person, and it is like a lot of after a lot of struggle, possible. Okay, why struggle? Because something is quite complex, quite rigid here. I feel like unable to let go, but then again having this feeling of like the person is also confused. There's emotional chaos, I see, but it's so difficult to move away from something that you so want. Okay, yes, I feel there's going to be some talk with the person. If this is going to be resurgence, like love and everything, then this is going to be some talk with the person, initiation. But I kind of get this vibe from the hangers laid. It's kind of like someone who is in rush, taking decision in rush now, moving very fast, okay, changing home, changing place, traveling. There's a travel, yes, of course, it's coming, like, but there's also deep conversation is required because there's 6 of Cups energy. Okay, I'm hearing hard time, and you have the Tower card. So possible unexpected, you never expected those changes, but unexpectedly entering in your realm. Things are happening in your workplace, or things are happening in your relationship with the person. This is change coming. Change of place, change of home as well. Something might be feeling like a crumbling. Okay, death with a scorpionic vibe. Death is ending and beginning though, but there's a change in your connection. I see for some of you there's going to be change in your connection. What you feel was everything is under control is making you feel, oh my god, I should not skip it. So this may be work or person. That person from your mind, that person from your past, that person in your memory, okay? I heard that person, Pisces. That person in your mind, you're thinking about someone from your past, okay? Or the person from the past in your now, okay? Because you want to talk and you haven't talked with them from in a long time. I feel that energy. You're thinking about this person. Let's see in your present call. I feel you're coming from a place of thinking about this person a lot. Okay, with the 6 of Cups energy and 8 of Swords energy. Let's see. Lot will be changing. Situation will be changing. Physical appearance is changing. Transformations happening. I don't know how. Possible clothing, possible lifestyle, possible city, possible country. I don't know what, but there's going to be a major change in appearance, major change in place, major change in, you know, something is happening in the midst of like travel from A to Z, kind of. The Lovers, major change in relationship, decision here. And it's with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, or a Gemini. Apart from the signs as an energy form, major shift. Changes. This can be get together, reunion, kindred spirit. 3 of Cups, you're going to enjoy something with the person, you're going to enjoy something, leaving some rigid mode. Like you need to leave two points to become one with the person. Basically, it's about the change a little bit. It's about flexible, to be flexible, being flexible in approach towards someone you care, you love. 3 of Cups energy. Some of you are going to reunite with the person whom you are thinking about and you're going to message them. Or else it can go, you know, vice versa though, of course. And I don't know whether someone commented in an Aquarius reading, I suppose. In my Aquarius reading. Because the heading was like, this man awaits. So some people asked that. That one comment was so rude. I don't want to answer that. But someone commented like, is it just gender specific? No, these are not. This is just title, and I only speak whatever comes, though I say that this can go vice versa always. Okay, this is the kind of like a flow of tarot. Okay, 3 of Cups energy. There's going to be some doubtful approach, because the person may feel that, or you may feel that, oh my god, what should I do while we are contacting again. So this is about hellos and highs and how have you been. Hellos and highs and how have you been. But the hanger. Someone is nearby hangers and like kind of like possible you're designer, fashion designer, you're arranging the stuff. This is for the next show. But I also see like while you're arranging something, like putting in the case, suitcase or luggage, or putting out on those hangers, you'll have that feeling of like, it's gonna happen. Kind of like you're missing someone, and that may be someone from your past. Possible. This is also about enjoying the moment, okay? Enjoying the moment. I feel things are going to be under control soon than you even think about. The Empress. There is someone who is important. If you're female listening, it goes that way. Though, regardless of the gender again. But there's if you're a male energy listening, then there might be the Empress energy. And everything is under control with this person. Someone is very happy here. In your future, you are going to see there's a move, there's travel, as I said, maybe Cancerian with the Chariot. Big decision, big move, big travels, okay? Big travels, for some cases, reunions, okay? And as I said in the start of what I was about to say, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe is also here. The 2 of Cups energy is in your future, kind of, but we're going to see what is the flip. Pisces. Someone is on the lookout for someone who, I don't know, there's also Virgo. Important to you, Virgo, okay? They are on the lookout for their future or some search. Pisces, what's happening? It is also about your savings, and please keep it safe, kind of prioritize where you are spending, kind of energy. It's also about home change and shifts, I see. Let's see in the future. Pisces. There's an Aquarius as well around you, okay? Travel, trip, for some vacation possible, because the kindred spirits get together feeling free. Also, travel to visit someone. We're going to see what's beyond this, but Six of Swords is coming definitely. For some work-related travel, organization here, like organizing the stuff. Six of Swords, move, travel, trip, definitely. For some, love, for love's sake. This is also picking up, like a pickup energy where you left or what was on hold kind of, or something was delayed. Something was getting postponed, work related or some offer. Offer maybe of work, offer maybe of love. This is again Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Not necessarily though, but Knight of Pentacles energy is the call of where you went, where you left, now what, and where you are starting again. So it's kind of like pickup energy for me. There are two cards, okay, where you left. Five of Wands energy, something that is gone and you want to start from there, or something that is gone and wounded and you are leaving it in the past. Now you're starting, okay? Now you're starting. Possible some of you are starting new relationship. Some of you are mending it, starting from scratch in the same relationship. But Five of Pentacles energy is something that you don't want to go back. Or this may be some past reflection of Five of Pentacles. Okay, what went wrong? What was on hold? What I want to do. Some of you are starting again from something like work, a project. Some of you are starting again love. So maybe new love, or maybe from scratch, fresh start with someone. This is Page of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So maybe you are Piscean energy as well, obviously. Some of you may start fresh, sending message to someone, proposing someone. If not, just a handshake, like kind of like rejuvenating with the love, where you left, what you left. I have this energy of let's start from, which is laying that. What is the message coming for you? Interesting reading. We're going to take just this. There is 10 of Swords happening, which is okay, I'm just going to show you the symbolism, but it's the rod, okay, not the road, a rod, R-O-D. The rod, if I'm wrong somewhere, the rod near predicts family quarrels, distant pecuniary losses, okay? So, but I kind of get this vibe as like the broom, because it's broom and everything, and it's like something like in Hindi it is known as chabak. What was that? So it's something that you're trying to get in control and brooming and removing the old stuff and negative energy, ending also something, the sour moments, but it's also something that might be happening, and that's why someone is moving out. So if it is connected with the empty hangers and everything, so possible some arguments, and that's why someone is in head, or maybe something happened, okay? This is cleaning process as well, definitely. This is also advised, stay away from any kind of losses, okay? Because Five of Pentacles is also the loss in love, or loss in money related things, whatever happened, okay? So that's why there's a travel. That's why it's like something that you really want to prioritize, especially with Four of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles. Loss in certain kind of wage, or you know, something that is on daily basis kind of, if there is. Let's see in the future. Okay, there's going to be some victory, because you have Six of Wands energy from the Tarot world. Six of Wands, it's a victory, overcoming certain you know, challenge or something. But it's lightning also. For me, lightning is awakening kind of. Someone is waking up again, or someone is waking up, oh my god, I was in the sleep kind of energy. Waking up is like someone realizing suddenly, oh my god, while doing some stuff, oh my god, I have to call them kind of energy. Lightning denotes a surprise. Disagreeable in according to distance, but how I read is in different way. This is something that you're cleaning, brooming. Again, when empty hangers are there, means someone is shifting, or someone is shifting to that place, hanging the hangers kind of, and then cleaning the stuff with the broom, and you know, removing everything. Here, you were in, you know, disagreement with someone, or you are in disagreement with someone. That's why those hangers and everything and cleaning processes. Ace of Wands energy, your next move depends on this. Okay, so this is the roads now. The roads turned to the dark clouds foretells misadventures, but far from the person, the evil consequences may be averted. Now, this is all about you are removing yourself from negative energies and everything, getting awakened, so your intuition is working great. You be responsible. This is about all the crosses, but there are no clouds or nothing like that, so I cannot connect with that. However, I read it in my different ways. I see your sun is coming out, and I see you are taking next move very, very politely and very, you're deciding something. And 8 of Cups, which is 8 of Hearts energy again, and the cat. The cat indicates flattery, foretells personal injury, and it denotes strife. I feel it's something that you are going inside of personal injury, heart's decisions. It's also something of like connected with separation or breakup, or just moving or parting ways for time being here, possible, or something that cannot be undone here. It's also quarrel or something, strife basically between you and this person. So if it happened, then something next move, okay? Because in future there is a travel, so some of you are going to say adios. This 3 of Cups possible is like final, goodbye or something like to the person or to your people for time being, because you're making new move in your life, okay? It's like something that was lingering on, holding on to you, now you're letting it go. With the 2 of Pentacles, hard decision, but you're going to make it. So that's all I can see in the future coming. But with this, your next move is going to depend on your karma. Of course, be responsible, get awakened, and work in that process. You can always make the changes. Obviously, I'm just a messenger here. Something that cannot be undone here, okay? But something that can be started from scratch. I hope you're going to get help from this. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.